Sanjeevi Mohan Rao, a senior pyramid master, is associated with PSSM along with his family from the last 15 years.
Entering into meditation, our life automatically is changed.
Following the 18 guiding principles of PSSM, his whole family has converted into pure vegetarians, turned his house into meditation center in Venkatpuram Alwal for 7 years.
We have a very dynamic master in our show. He has served the nation.
He served the nation for 18 years in the Indian Army as an operator of communication in peace and war fields. After his retirement from the Indian Army, he served the society as a government teacher in Telangana. And being spiritual, he has spread meditation to all the places he has been to. He is currently holding the position of manager in the Vegetarian Society Community Hostel and also continues to teach.
I am getting both pensions with the grace of God through meditation only.
First time from army and second time from school.
Survived a sudden heart attack, survived the coronavirus attack and avoided stent operation with the help of meditation and vegetarian diet.
Dr. Verma, after reviewing my reports, he told me no need to do the operation. You follow meditation and...
After meeting Bharat Ratna Mother Teresa in the year 1994 at Nirmal Hriday in Calcutta, he believes that he has understood the difference between being selfish and selfless. During his military service, he has been awarded United Nations Peacekeeping Force Award from Cambodia. As a teacher, he has been honored by Lions Club Bhuvanpally and the Cultural Association by Tyagraj Gana Sabha in the city of Hyderabad. Sanjeevi Mohan Rao strongly believes a true meditator can struggle strongly and face any problem easily. Please join me in welcoming Sanjeevi Mohan Rao only on PMC English.
Hello and welcome to PMC English. I'm your host Idris, and today we have a very dynamic master in our show. He has served the nation while in army and he has also served the society. He is in fact serving the society by spreading spirituality. Mr. Sanjeevi Mohan Rao, a very warm welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
First of all, I really am impressed the way you have served the nation.
Sir.
And of course, you are serving the society by spreading spirituality.
Yes, sir.
My first question is like, how was your experience when you came to meditation?
I came into meditation in the 2005, sir.
2005.
With one pamphlet through one of my teacher, neighbor teacher, Brahmesh sir and Jairam Reddy. Previously, I had there is meditation and yoga, but I don't know the difference between yoga and meditation and exercise. Afterwards, I listened little bit about meditation. Meditation is separate. After retirement and during service, I got great trouble with one of my relatives. He is also ex-Air Force. We believe him as a god and goddess. He cheated me completely, put our life into zero. At that time, we have some family problems, finance problems. My mother became cancer patient. At the time, I am at the end of my service, bond service. I worked throughout India, throughout every corner of India. I worked in UN mission also, United Nations Peacekeeping Force Cambodia.
Wow, nice.
I travelled and served in so many states, Goa, Haryana, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Shillong and mission Cambodia and Calcutta also. Last finally I came to Secunderabad, this military station.
Right, right.
Military job is my choice job, but not by chance.
Right, so it was your choice. Your
Choice
decision.
job.
Right.
Before going to military, I trained for teacher. I have a wish to do teacher job, but I have more interest to do something to nation than teacher. So I left this teacher job. I went to army.
Amazing.
whatever may be. After completion of my bond, I voluntarily resigned. After resign, I got a teacher job also in the state of United Andhra Pradesh, Telangana especially. I got teacher job. During teacher job, before entering into teacher job, I got so many problems with my relatives. That's why I am completely disturbed at that time. We have no peace in my family and myself. Wherever working, I am always worrying. But I want solution. One day I am traveling at the time after retirement. I am working one hospital, Kamineni Hospital, for the sake of my mother treatment. At that time we have facility to take treatment from military side. After retirement we have no treatment to parents. So my mother has no treatment at there. So I worked for the sake of her life and treatment. I worked at the Kamineni Hospital as security officer. I am searching here and there for some good job, but what I job get, that is I have to fulfill. One day I am traveling from place to duty stay place, Kamineni Hospital. In the meanwhile, one man is sitting beside me. He is doing silently something like this. At that time, after some time, he automatically wake up. Sir, what are you doing? I am doing meditation. Afterwards, he gave me small pamphlet. Sir, I want to do also meditation. Please tell me. He guided me some little better. His name is PVS Vijay Kumar sir. He is also a senior master at that time. That is 2005.
2005.
We have some Murlidhar sir in Alwal. You go there and you do meditation. When I came from duty, I phoned to Murlidhar sir. He is the one of the senior master in Hyderabad at that time. He contacted me on phone. Oh, you can come, but it is very difficult, he told. Okay, sir, I will try my level best. If you learn me, I will do meditation. But I didn't go there. In the meanwhile, Patri sir has come to Venkatapuram. One of our neighbor, and he is also meditation master, Sam Sundar. At that time, he visited Venkatapuram, 2005. But at that time, I have no opportunity to meet there and go there. After 2005, afterwards, one of our neighbor is from Budayanagar, Bramesh, our teacher, and Jairam Reddy is also working some Sivasivani college as a MBA faculty. They spread the message of meditation through the newspaper. I am reading newspaper every day. In that newspaper, I collected that pamphlet. Immediately, each teacher is doing some best to the society. So I phoned to Bramesh sir as well as to him. They conducted class at Sai Baba temple in the Bodhanagar on the main road. At that time, we attended. At that time, they told what is meditation. We started. At that time, my mother is suffering from cancer. So we are unable to do meditation. But we followed the food.
Till that time, you were having non-veg.
2005, we slowly converted into non-vegetarian to vegetarian.
Wonderful.
Vegetarian. At that time, my son has some eye problem. Second class, he has some eye problem came. That my mother is suffering from this cancer problem. My son is suffering from eye problem. That's why, oh, this meditation will help to my son also. So I will do meditation. I will join into meditation again. Second year, 2006, they started the same program in the same Sai Baba temple in Budayanagar. I again continued the program for 40 days. Afterwards, we completely changed our family into meditation family. 2006 onwards into meditation. 2006 onwards, we are doing meditation regularly. Wherever classes and camps and some Dhyana Mahayagnam at Shirdi, Amaravati, Sri Salem, and wherever is Patri sir conducting mega programs, we completely going and attending the problem with full speed. After entering into meditation, our life automatically is changed. What we lost our peace, due to loss of materialistic life, we recovered getting peace with this help of meditation.
Right.
Slowly we are getting some change, peace of mind. Up to 2007 onwards, one of our senior master and with all these master, we started meditation classes in our house. We are continuing our meditation class 2007 onwards to 2005 non-stop. In the meanwhile, actually I was working as teacher in my native place where I am staying. A little problem has come. At the time Telangana Andhra movement,
Right.
some problem has come, so I was completely again disturbed. Even though I was disturbed, we continued our meditation. Afterwards, I was transferred to some remote place in the Telangana. Afterwards, I discontinued meditation. My family also discontinued. 2012, 13, 14, over. But we continued our vegetarian completely. We did not stop our vegetarianism. We are stopping our meditation, but we are occasionally doing meditation, discontinue our classes in our homes because my presence is not there. My wife told I am unable to continue this class, so I will stop. Okay, I am far away from this place, so she discontinued that classes. Whenever she is interested, she is doing meditation. My son also doing meditation individually, but I stopped meditation completely. But I have aim to do meditation, but I have no time.
Right.
I am involved in court case and fighting with the government, so I stopped. But I have whatever I have done previously, that meditation power helped me to success the court case with the government afterwards. And afterwards I transferred to from that remote place to again to Hyderabad. My colleagues, you do meditation, you start your class as previous, that will good for your health and family, and they will, so many gentlemen will come, your home will be positive vibration, so start meditation. But I am telling, sir, I will start one day, I will take some good days to start. Automatically 2018, I won my case with government. What I lost before transferring to that place, I fight with government, I defeated to them,
You won the case.
won the case. Okay. I told I won the case with the help of the meditation only, meditation power, but I am not doing meditation. This is clear.
But vegetarianism you were following.
Following strict vegetarianism. Sometimes Patri sir, we are meeting at any program with the help of my senior master Brahme sir. How are you, master? I am okay, sir. I am not doing meditation, but I am following vegetarian, complete vegetarian. Okay, do it. He suggested me do it. 2018, I have some afterwards the orders are cleared, but implementation is going to be very slow. I got some stress with the officials. I got a heart problem 2018, February 16. And automatically I got heart problem. I went to, one day I am going to school, suddenly got a heart attack. And I got heart attack, but not a severe, but just a mild attack. I went to hospital, they referred me to the super specialty hospital, KIMS. They tested me to angiogram. They told me to for stunts operation. Actually, I have no interest to take operation with the help of stunts. Sir, give me some time because the school is going to be closed in the month of April. I have charge. I will give charge to my next junior, senior. Afterwards, I will come to a hospital. I will do stunt operation. Okay, he permitted me. In the after actually I have no interest to do operation because I am dead against to medicine as per the guru's advice.
Correct.
I don't want to take a single tablet with the doctor advice, because I am last 10 years we are not using medicines.
So complete 10 years you have not taken any medicine.
We are not favor to medicine. Just we are doing meditation, vegetarian meditation. That is our common routine life. Even though we break the meditation in the meanwhile, 2012 to 15. Afterwards, after discharge from the hospital, I have taken second advice, third advice with the help of our senior master, Mr. Brahmesh sir. He is also retired headmaster. One day we went to the one class, that Padmarani madam at Kompally. At that time, one doctor has come to class from Bhimavaram, Dr. Verma. He is a cardiologist, gold medalist from Care Hospital previously. Now he has a clinic in Bhimavaram, one of the super specialty hospital in Bhimavaram. After reviewing my reports, he told me no need to do operation. You follow meditation and diet and walking. That is enough to you. No any need. Okay, sir. Very thank you. I need this only. I will follow your advice completely, continually. I am following the same advice up to 2018 to now.
So from 2018 till now you didn't go for operation. You are following the meditation, vegetarianism, and of course no medicines.
No medicine, single tablets like that. Single tablets we are gradually we decrease the tablet dose.
Okay.
Today I am taking only one tablet as a day.
Right. For safety you are taking
For
one.
safety, for blood thickness to thinness.
Right.
In the actually have good hope on meditation, because Guruji told us meditation is a weapon to kill anything. That is a spiritual weapon. That belief we have, we have that belief.
So you trust meditation, you believe meditation,
Yes.
and you believe that this will help us in everything.
Everything. In the afterwards, when I got a heart attack, I started my meditation again. 2018 onwards, after I have taken 50 days sick leave, I started my meditation every day for 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever may be, continually doing. Afterwards, I started my home classes, meditation class in our house. That is going to as started and continued as previous days.
Right.
Some positive vibration has picked up in our house. So we are happy. Whatever our heart problem, whatever problems, we completely forgot. Our days are going like that. Afterwards, in the meanwhile, I settled my daughter to marriage, a right person with one software employee. Okay, that problem is solved. The one thing I have told, when we are in meditation, automatically that help will come masters, definitely. But we should be in right path. If you are in righteousness, that will definitely somebody will help. Because meditation we have so many friends, righteous friends, right way friends.
Right friends, yes, of course. With right heart, right intention, right mind. Correct. Same mindset, same thought process, of course, yes.
That's why I got confidence through the meditation only. Actually, what I faced that mega problem, with the help of these friends, I solved this problem.
Amazing.
Afterwards, I got retirement 2019.
From your teacher's job, right?
Teacher's job, second retirement. First time from army.
First time from army, and second time from school teacher.
School teacher with pension. I am getting both pensions.
Lovely.
With the grace of God, through meditation only. While I am working army, I worked for the nation as my abilities. With the help of this military job, I got to this teacher job. This is also my choice job, not a by chance job.
Yes, it's a great thing, like both the jobs were of your choice. You wanted to be a teacher and you wanted to serve the nation also, and you started with teaching, then you went to army, and then again from army you went to teaching, and you retired with 2 pensions. That's amazing. And you are a meditator, you are a vegetarian, so definitely amazing.
Thank you very much, sir.